Sanibonani Dumelani Absheni. Hi, welcome back to Itumizi itiye elishisa be. Njengoba uwazi uDraba sikhuluma ngothando nesithembu. Ishow ebaluleke kakhulu ndlula zonke la eMzansi. Kulandele ishow yaka Stupid bafethu. Yabona that show nayo singayikhohlwa. Yes, isizini nayo sobe sikhuluma ngayo sobe siphezulu kwayo. Ba namhlanje ke angifuni ukumosha isikhathi asingeneni odabeni lwanamhlanje as you've seen by the thumbnail ukuthi yazini kuzoshuka mnandi kulithi asingeneni. Hey uMakhwela. Sele gave Umakhwela a push gift in the form of money, which he was advised by uMakhwela ukuthi yazini mawufuna ukumenzela i push gift njengoba umbonga ukuthi yazini ungizalele, let's give her imali. Hey, lavela uthukeli kaMseleku wavela umntwana wamanje wathi no, push gift is supposed to be a car, a house and a ring, diamond ring. I'm like, hey well, Abby. I mean, Matele gave that. Did she get that push gift yemoto nan because she got a Mercedes? Abantwana sibakhulile. Just because you saw Tia Smith and then you are like, hey bo, who are you? One thing about Tia Smith, she's not in a polygamous marriage. So ungayiqhathanisi nabo Tia Smith. And ufunde kakhulu le ntombazana. Uyifundile, uyasebenza, uyi-content creator, uyilo wena nje uhleli lapha yayesofeni eMzumbe. Uzothi wena you want a car, you want what. So it's clear ukuthi yazini in as much as she might love uMseleku, which I doubt because of the age, yena yazi uzuthanda ikhehla bafethu like. But Umseleku is not bad looking, so obviously maybe she finds him attractive. But the fact ukuthi ufuna nama push gift, it just shows ukuthi yazini ulindele isinokonoko chankura uzifinela nje ilotho umntana abantu. Hence wayele bathi samke uyavuma na ukungena wathi yebo makathi uyabheka uqabanga nje Mercedes, makathi ubheka uMakhumalo bakufaka oGucci, akholwa ukuthi nje aboGucci bayasebenzelwa. Le BMW yaka Makhumalo uyisebenzelile intombazana azange ayikhe phezulu. You can't, you need to start phansi ufukuze ukhule naye. That's why we see Umseleku always postponing that match. It's not because of abafazi. He must be honest. Umseleku is trying to see ukuthi kahle lo samkelo ufunani, ufuna uthando noma ufuna imali, ufuna uthando noma ufuna into zami. And yabona uSamke is proving to us ukuthi kuyenzakalani uma umuntu omdala nomntana omncane behlangana bethi bakho ubudlelwane. That relationship is based on transaction. Banganikhohlisi bazonitshela manga bathi hey, it's about love. What love? Which love? There's no love there. Imali enza ukuthi uSamke akhuthazeke ukuhlala. If Umseleku had no money, would she agree to be in that polygamy relationship, marriage? Never. Yingakho uMakhumalo ekwati egana unwabo ngoba maybe naye that was her first impression ukuthi yazini nangibawa umdala uyangishela usho ukuthi nje ngizoba nemali. Wayithola imali intombazane was elevated to a point that she is at now. One thing about Umseleku, he might not agree, but Umseleku undermines the Khwela family. It's a celebration yomntwana and you are out there addressing ukuthi yazini abafazi bami abafuna ukuthi ngibe lana, hey kumele ngireporte, those type of vibes. Like for what? Why even addressing your in-laws, your future in-laws? Ngabanye abantu that they have nothing to do with them. It was supposed to be about uMakhwela noMethuli, end of discussion. Loko kunye you could just goes to the uncles need discuss it, but obviously because we know ukuthi Umseleku is just a content creator, obviously they had to discuss that for the views, for the views. But if this is something that is happening, they need to review izinto because that's total utter disrespect. Ubabukela phansi, like uMakhumalo said ukuthi Umseleku ubukela umndeni wami phansi. Same applies to the way he looks down on the Khwela family. Obviously intombazana yasemzini, so he probably knows that family, he's seen the family, knows their background. That's why lapha uyasazi istory, wazi udaba. That's why he's able to stand tall and talk the way afuna ngakhona because bazomtshelani babobani bona. Then Mseleku said we need permission from the wives ukuze simove on. It's not like nihleli njengamabomu angifuni ukuya phambili ngumakhwela umntwanenu, but it's because ngisalinde i-permission yabafazi because you know ukuthi ngikwisithembu so angizenzeli. Everything that I do I need to involve my wives. And one of Umacele's sister said, hayi Sikhathele, ukhathele wena nabobani uhlanganaphi? Hayibo, yazi abantu bathanda ukuzifaka. Like, yes, we get the fact ukuthi usisi wakho is married to the Mseleku family, but wena uhlanganaphi, ukhathele ini, ubani? So this means ukuthi wena as usisi kaMaqele you are more important than aboMakhumalo, aboMangwabe noMayeni. Do you even know how it feels to be them? Have you ever been in their shoes for you to even have an opinion? Bayadika ha, bayadika. The part that got to me, and I'm wondering, how does Umakhumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwabe feel after watching that part whereby Umseleku mentioned ukuthi it's so sad ukuthi umntwanami has to be in a taxi just because angwazi ukumthengela imoto, just because abanye abantu they don't want her to be at Mzumbe. Like, nifila kanjani? And that part got Umseleku emotional because obviously uMethuli is not growing up like the other kids just because yena it feels like umntwana ngaphandle. Other kids are enjoying the benefits of being abantwana bakaMseleku, but in order for uMethuli ukuze enjoy, they need permission ukuthi yazini mvumeleni. I just wish ukuthi whatever they do, they must understand ukuthi sonke we are there for one reason, to build Mseleku family. Sonke we are there for the reason yokuthi sishadiwe sathandwa. Why can't they accept uSamke ukuthi naye angene ukuze umntana wakhe naye azoba eduze nobabakhe, azokwazi ukubona ukuthi umntana mudingani nani? No, as women abanabantwana, even uMakhumalo include her, because obviously unomntwana which is Umpilo. Because I'm not gonna say she's a stepmother. No, I'm a woman. I can't be out there saying those type of vibes. That would be rude from me, even though she is bad. Now that would be rude because of the role that she has played and on Mpilo's life. Allow Methuli to come to Mzumbe. Allow Methuli to enjoy the benefits, the fruits of her father's labor. One thing about Makhumalo is the detective. Makhumalo uzoziphathisa ama-chest pains. Makhumalo usazogowa. About the fact that she is always following indaba zikaSamke, and then she's gonna come at the diary session and be like, oh, mina nginandaba naye kanjani. Because you are out there asking, hey, kwenzakalani lapha kakhwela, mara it's obvious bekumele abuze because angisho bahlala eduze. I mean umakhelwane mathi uphumela ngaphandle uthi uyoshaya umoya, abantu bakaKhumalo bamangele nala itende lapha yana. Hawu, kwenzakalani thina simenywanga? You know, obviously we are human beings, we are always going to be curious, and I don't think that the person that wanted to know was Umakhumalo, but maybe she was told because Umakhumalo, she doesn't stay at Mzumbe. Bekazihlelele kuleya sibhakabhaka sakhe senju, bamtsheleki bamfonela bathi hey mntanami phuthuma, kuyaphuthuma khona into eyenzakalayo lapha kaKhwela, nali itende, ingabe yini indoda yakho iyamshada ningazi. Yo, Makhumalo panic.